guys, so this is my first time going through Clark International Airport. I took the MRT to get to North Avenue Station because that's where we will take the bus ride going to Clark International Airport. And this bus ride is called the P2P or the point-to-point bus. We fairly enjoyed our bus ride. It was very convenient also because it was a Sunday and we left at 7:20ish. We met up at the point-to-point station at 7 a.m. and we left probably at around 7:28. About an hour later, we were already at the Clark International Airport. And you can see from here how nice and clean the airport is. We can see here a money changer area, and we also have a very wide area for when you want to check in. And we checked in early for our 2 p.m. flight. But we were told not to mention that we already checked in, otherwise we cannot leave the airport. So make sure that you don't tell them that. So right across the airport, there are many food options. And since it was way too early for a heavy meal, we went to Starbucks first. And we spent like couple of hours there in Starbucks, and then we grabbed lunch at Kenny Rogers, just a very quick lunch, and then we went back to the boarding gates. We went to the boarding gates for our flight. So you can see right across Starbucks is already the departure area, and it's very convenient. You just have to cross the street. And here at the boarding gates, it's a little bit small, but it's okay. It's not too crowded, and there are a few snacks that you can have there. So you have dumplings, you also have souvenirs if you want to purchase shirts. There's Seattle's Best for coffee. Then don't worry about the restroom because there's a restroom for male and female. And what's important to note is that they have their own LGBTQ restroom. So I urge you to try out Clark International Airport. It was very convenient, and the flights left earlier than planned because the boarding times were also not too crowded, and they were early and calling the flights so that you can board easily, conveniently, and everything's in check. We also didn't need to check in online because it was so quick. Like there wasn't any lines when you check in your baggage. So try it out.